In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable plugins in Google Chrome. We'll go through the process slowly, so it's easy to follow. And by the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Chrome settings to allow or block a specific item. This is useful if a website feature is not working the way you want, or if you want more control over what sites can access in your browser. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open before moving to the next step so you can easily find the settings menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access many of the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can manage privacy, permissions, and many other browser options. If you don't see everything right away, that's completely normal, since Chrome organizes settings into sections. Next, click Privacy and Security. This area contains the controls related to browsing safety, permissions, and how websites interact with your browser. It's the section you'll use when you want to change how Chrome handles website access and behavior. After that, click Site Settings. In this section, Chrome lets you control what websites are allowed to do, such as using notifications, pop-ups, sound, camera, location, and similar permissions. If you're trying to enable or disable a plugin-like feature, this is usually where you'll find the option connected to that website behavior. Now, locate the specific setting you want to change and click on it. For example, if you're working with a permission that is currently active, open that setting to view the available choices. You'll usually see options such as Allow or Don't Allow. To enable it, choose Allow. To disable it, choose Don't Allow. This changes whether websites can use that feature in Chrome. Be careful to select the option that matches what you want, especially if you're troubleshooting a website that needs a certain permission to function properly. Once you make the change, Chrome usually saves it automatically, so there's no need to press a separate save button. If the website is already open in another tab, it can help to refresh the page so the new setting takes effect. And that's it. That's how to enable or disable plugins in Google Chrome through the browser settings.